Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam during the farewell pilgrimage said, "Which month do you consider more sacred?" The people replied, "Are this very month." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "Which city do you consider more sacred?" The people submitted, "Are this very city." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereafter said, "Which day do you consider more sacred?" They submitted, "Are this very day." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, "Undoubtedly, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has made your blood, your property, and your honor sacred, saves any plausible right, like the sanctity of this day of yours, this city of yours, and this month of yours. Tell me whether I have conveyed you the message." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam repeated it thrice. The people whereupon submitted, "Yes, of course." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "Fie on you," or he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Woe on you. You must not lapse to infidelity after me, decapitating one another." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 6785.